very poor.
Wala kolada.
Wala kwarta. And then,
没有钱。
okay, you hold the
Gun.
Armalite, the gun. Then
拿着枪。
you shot the people,
and
all
give
the
you money?
people. And then keep money.
拿着枪去打人
In
赚钱。
Muslim here, inside the city of Davao, no gun.
Most of them are businessmen.
Businessmen.
大部分是生意人。So where do they live? They live together or not?
Pardon?
They live together or not?
Yeah.
Muslim.
Muslim live here. The people Muslim, the educated person.
But how about here? Muslim, some war with government or not here?
Not here.
No. Wala fight.
Wala fight.
So it's safe here to travel or to be friend with Muslim?
No.
No? Not good?
The Muslim people, for me, I'm a Christian, don't trust any people Muslim because,
I don't know.
Money,
You know what? Money.
money.
They have lot of money.
Yeah.
他们比较有钱。Really?
Yeah.
Businessman.